Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm going on a very exciting and important trip soon, so I'm going to take you through and show you what I'm going to pack for my trip. My husband asked me, he said, "Are you bringing makeup?" I'm like, "Yeah." And he thinks I'm going to bring a shit ton of makeup, but I'm really going to try not to. We'll see how it goes. So as far as eyeshadow palettes, I think I'm naming this one because it's pretty neutral and easy. And I love this one, so I'm going to bring this one. And obviously, I'm going to bring my BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. So these three just have every color I think I'm going to need for those 5 days. That was pretty easy. So, as far as foundation and primer and powder, I think for primers, I want to bring this one. I definitely want to bring, where'd it go? This one. Just my little plus points or whatever from Sephora. It's a little hourglass, but it's little. I don't think these two, I can switch off if I feel like it. And then for foundation, I'm probably going to bring this one. It's a little stick foundation because it's small. It won't take up a lot of room. And then this one because I've really been loving this one. I'm just worried that glass will break or it'll, hopefully because it's a pump, it won't leak all over the place. So, and then for concealer, this is a new one that I got. This Sephora one. It's really good. I love it. I'm just bringing this one. And powder, I'm just bringing my Coty Airspun. I mean, it's loose, which I don't really like, but my only pressed powder is the Rimmel Stay Matte, and it doesn't have a cover. So that's pretty much my only option, and I'm okay with that. This, I think, is going to be my hardest choice to dwindle down. So as far as bronzer, this is the only thing I've been using recently because I love it, and it's amazing. And it's just really light, and it's not too crazy heavy. So definitely know this is all I'm bringing for bronzer or contour. So for blush, I've been loving these two, these two ones a lot, so I'm definitely bringing those. And I wanted to bring this one because it's got 4 colors, but those two are in those that I'm going to bring. And I have this one kind of in a plain one, and I'll just bring that one instead of this big thing. So I'm going to bring those two, and I'm going to find the other one. Oh. There it is. And this Wet n Wild Rosé Champagne. I like this color a lot. So I think those 3 are all the blushes I'm going to need. So as far as highlighter, I was thinking which ones I should use, and I was like, ooh, I should bring the liquid ones, but then I was like, but if I don't use those all the time here, what makes me think I'm going to use them on vacation? Why would I bring it just to take up space? So I'm definitely taking this one, because there's 6 colors in there. And then I'm probably going to take this one too, because it's a warmer one. And that's pretty much all the highlighters I'm going to need, I think. I think I want to bring the one I got in my BoxyCharm to put if I need it. But that's the thing, I don't use it a ton now. So why am I going to use it when I'm out? But I'm going to bring it just in case. So I'm going to bring those. As brow products go, I'm going to bring a pencil. And I think I'm going to bring this one because it's sturdier. And this one kind of breaks a little easily. I like it a lot. But I think I'm going to bring this one because it's sturdier and doesn't break as easily. And I'm going to bring this brow gel. That's all I'm bringing for my eyebrows. And for eyeliners, I'm definitely going to bring my white one right here for my waterline. I'm going to bring this one for my tight line and waterline if I want it to be black that day. And this liquid liner, because this is one I've been using recently. I have other ones, but they're new and I don't want to open them before the other one's gone. And it has the star stamp just in case I want to use it. And yeah, so as far as mascara, I think I'm just going to bring my two Benefit ones, the Royal Lash and the Bad Girl Bang, because I like those the best. And yeah, I'm just bringing those two. So this I think is also going to be hard. It's how I know what color I'm going to feel like wearing that day. I'm probably going to bring this one because it's a glossy neutral. And then this one because it's really dark and really pretty. And I don't know. So definitely bringing those two and probably this red. I'll probably bring one, probably this kind of crazy color. I think those four will be, I mean, they're not there that long, so I only need one color a day. So I think those four would be good choices. I don't think I'll need a gloss, but I'll bring one just in case. Probably this one because it's really pretty by itself and over those colors. I think that's all the lip stuff I'll need. As far as brushes, I'm definitely going to bring this one. I'll be using for my powder right here. And I'm going to use this one. I've been using for my highlight. And I'll bring this foundation one. And my bronzer ones. I wonder how many eye brushes am I going to need? Jesus. Definitely bring this one. And this one. And probably this one. And this one. I think I might bring too many brushes. What else do I like? I think that's enough brushes. Let's see. Bring my blush brush because I love this brush. Bring one like this for my glitters and stuff on my eyelid. Definitely also bringing my glitter glue in my eye. I'm definitely going to be bringing my glitter glue and my eye primer because, yeah, definitely those two. If I want to bring my quick change thing, and I think that I do. Yeah, I'm bringing this too. Skincare, I'm just probably going to bring my lip stuff. This stuff to wash my face because it's easy and little. Oh, and this moisturizer. I'll refill my other little, it's a travel size container to carry moisturizer in, so I'll bring that. And I'm probably going to bring this new bottle of hyaluronic acid because I needs it. And this is like a morning moisturizer that I'll probably bring because it's little. I want to bring a mask because I think, oh, I'll sit on the balcony and wear my mask, but I probably won't do that. So why waste the space? Oh, and I'm definitely probably going to use this up till we leave, make new, and bring my eye makeup remover. Oh, and I've been using this lately as like a toner, and I love it. So I'm probably going to bring this. Maybe I'll put it in a smaller bottle, but I'm probably going to bring either this or the lavender one. I like them both. So that's what I'm packing and bringing on my trip. Thankfully, I have like 1,000 Ipsy bags that I can put it all in and put them in my suitcase. So, well, except the eyeshadow palettes. Those I'll just stick in between clothes so they don't break. That would be terrible. So I'm very excited about my trip. You'll hear where I'm going in a little bit. I'm very excited. But I think that'll be enough makeup and skincare and brushes and all that stuff. So thanks for watching. What kind of stuff do you bring on your vacations? Do you bring a lot? A little bit? I don't know.